Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Ubuntu in VirtualBox. Before starting downloading and installation, let's know little bit about VirtualBox. VirtualBox is an open source software developed by Oracle Corporation which allow users to run multiple operating systems in single machine or in a single computer system. So let's begin the video with downloading VirtualBox. So first open Google Chrome and search for VirtualBox. So here the first link which is recommended by Google Baba, just open it. So the site seems like this. So you can easily go to download VirtualBox 6.1 here, or you can go to downloads here also. So we go to downloads here, and after clicking on downloads we get this type of interface. Just ignore all this and go to here, VirtualBox 6.1.16 platform packages. Click on Windows host. So after clicking on Windows host, the VirtualBox gonna download. So it is something 103 MB. So VirtualBox is downloading here. So let's download the Ubuntu operating system. For Ubuntu, let's just search Ubuntu. The first recommendation, open it. Accept all and visit site. Okay, here you get very beautiful interface by Ubuntu site. So what you guys gonna do that, go to downloads here, and here you will see Ubuntu desktop. Here you will get version number 20.04 LTS. You just click here and it will automatically start downloading. So here it is something about 2.6 GB.
So our Ubuntu ISO is downloading. It takes time to download because it is of 2.6 GB. While it's downloading, let's install VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox setup. So here we get the interface of VirtualBox installation. So click on next, next, yes, and install. Okay. This setup asks you that would you like to install this device software. Yes, we like to install this. So click on install. If you click on don't install, the setup is roll back the action and just close it. So here start Oracle. Yes, we want to start it and finish. Here we get the icon of VirtualBox. It seems very pretty. Not much. Okay, so the software seems like this, which is very simple in look. Okay, not very much complicated. Our Ubuntu ISO image file is downloaded. So now let's open Oracle VirtualBox and just install here. So you get some interface like this. So click on new, and here you add a name. I add Ubuntu. You can add anything. And yes, remember that Ubuntu 64 we have to install in it. Okay, so nothing to be changed here. Click on next. So here we have to set the memory size. If your laptop had 8 GB RAM, so you can set 4 GB up to 4 GB, or if your laptop contain 2 GB RAM, so you just add 4 GB. If your laptop contains 4 GB RAM, then you set it on 2 GB RAM. Okay, but my laptop contains 8 GB RAM, runs with 8 GB RAM, so I set it up to 4 GB, which means 4096 MB. Okay, click on next. Hard disk, create a virtual hard disk. Now don't add a virtual hard disk. Let's create a virtual hard disk. Okay, create the first one option, be it. Click on next. Storage on physical hard disk, yeah, it should be dynamically allocated, so we just leave it. Okay, file location and size, everything is set here. Okay, if you want to increase the file size, suppose your laptop has 1 TB hard disk or 1 TB 2 TB, so I think 10 GB is not enough, so I just increase the up to 40 to 50 GB file size. Okay, for this operating system, just create. Okay, so we had created virtual machine for Ubuntu. So now we have to add ISO file of Ubuntu. So for that, go to settings. Okay, then storage. In storage, you got controller ID. In that, click on empty. After clicking empty, go to here, optical drive. Here you get some disk, CD disk icon. Click on it. Choose a disk file. After choosing disk file, we have to choose where you had saved the downloaded ISO of Ubuntu. So I have downloaded, my file is in download, so here it is, Ubuntu 20.4.0. this is the version of Ubuntu. I select it, then open. Okay, then press OK. After doing it, just start. So here is opening VirtualBox 6.10. Let's increase the size of it. You have to install Ubuntu. Click on it, click here. So here no need to change this. Click on continue. Nothing to do here, just click continue. Type. So as the first one selected, remain it. Okay, wait. If you are thinking that erase disk and install Ubuntu, if you are thinking that your Windows local disks are also be erased, no, don't worry guys, it cannot affect your disk of Windows. Okay, just click install now. It will erase that disk which VirtualBox created. After adding your username, your computer name and password, just click continue.